Hello, welcome on the third episode of Excel on SchoolJogger, and today I would like to mention about the subject I forgot the last time, and after that we will talk about formats and charts. I thought that I prepared a smaller amount of new information for today, but just like a few minutes ago I finished recording the Polish version, and again I had 18 minutes of recording, so I guess for the next time I have to like learn for 40 minutes, maximum 1 hour, and then create the video. And yeah, actually the Excel part will finish until the end of January, I hope. And after that, when I will start Power BI, maybe I will take another approach. But as from now, for sure, I will prepare a small Excel files like this one, so I know what I'm talking about and I can just show the new information. So starting from find and replace, as in other application or internet browsers, you can use Ctrl F on the keyboard to find some string you're looking for. So for example, I know that I'm looking for order number that has a 948 in it, so I write 948, find next, and the cell I'm looking for is highlighted. It contains the number 948. You can also use it with the replace mode, and here it's just another tab, and also you can open it with Ctrl H, which already opens the replace option. And in this example you can for example want to change the sign that for now I'm not sure how it's called, so I will check it. Okay, so this line is named dash. In Polish is completely different, so I would like to replace dash for a slash, so that's this one. And if I pick option replace, I'm replacing only the cell I had picked, it was active. If I pick option replace all, I replace all signs that are mentioned here. Now I will go with Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, and pick Ctrl H, and I can pick, for example, only these two cells. And if I pick replace all here, I will replace only for the cells that I highlighted. Also, if I pick Ctrl Z, I can't from this mode. I can go back, and I have also picked this two, but I will go with replace, so it replaced in the first one, and go second time, it replaced the signs in the second one. Signs, characters, maybe if it's a character. Let's move to the next subject, formats, currency format. Here are some sales. Oh, sorry, it's the Polish names of products. It's a book. This is a microphone, telephone, and forgot how's the. Okay, so that's the desk. Never mind. You have some sales here. You can move to home, and here you can pick the some formats like in Polish zloty or euros. It only changes the sign of the currency, it doesn't change the number, so it's for this it's always 50,000. It doesn't use the currency exchange. You can also open the format options here, and here are some this one is accounting, but here is the currency, and here is the euro, and here is the zloty, there's some Bitcoin and all the others, and these are the symbols. You can also go with this shorts with 3 letters that are describing the currency of a certain country. And here you can also pick if you want any decimal points, and you click OK, and that's how you format the currency. Regarding to time, here we have weekdays, working times, and we would like to see how many hours did we work during the week. And the first thing is that it's written here that it's 8 hours, 7 hours. It's it's a string. It's a string that's connected with the number and the letter H. So we can use the final replace we used before, Control H. I'm looking for H and replacing it with nothing, replace all. So actually we have the outcome, so it's 39 hours, but what was explained in the course I'm learning, that if you want it in a format like time, so hours, minutes, seconds, here it converts the number into a date, and how could we change that into a number, hours? Well, each day has 24 hours, and it was actually new that you can pick this one number, go with Control C, pick the 5 cells I want to divide by 24, and right click it, go to paste special, and I can divide all these 5 numbers by the cell I picked first. So go with OK. It divided all the numbers with 24, but it changed the format to general. So again, I have to pick the format and go with time, so it's nice with the format I wanted to have. Here we have to also pick the format with time, and here is the 15 hours, but the sum of this is 39 hours, and it shows like this because the format allows to show only 24-hour periods, and as the 39 is higher, so it started the period again, and you can change that with the format 37, 30, 55, and it changed. And you can also use a custom format, which is actually seems it's like the same as the 37 one, that you have to get the G in the brackets, and it's not a normal bracket. It's a square bracket. That makes sense, of course, because if you pick the normal if you don't use the bracket, it will show the 15 hours. Here's the sample that shows the number in the cell. So that's the time format. Number format is mostly general. I use the shortcut here, Control 1, to open the format cells, and here's the number. You can go with separator, which is pretty useful to see what's the number like. If you don't have anything decimal, you can choose 0 decimal spaces. And here is the number that has a lot of decimal numbers, and it shows only 2 of them. You can change the number of decimals. You can see by these two buttons. To increase, you go with this one, and to decrease, you go with this one. Of course, this only shows that the number is 25125 and 33 after on decimals, but it actually has more into it, and you can use a function which is round this number to, let's say, 5 digits after the comma, and it also shows the 2 decimal points. However, it's because the format is set to 2 decimal places. You can set it more here. So now we can see there are only 5 that we picked in the function, and if I want to show more, the next ones will be zeros. So this function actually changes the number, and it shows only, it rounds to the amount we picked. Custom formatting, so it's the kind of formats that are not used in the basic list in Excel, and the example is here when you use day, month, year format with hours, minutes, seconds, and it automatically changed it into the custom, and as you can see, it doesn't show the seconds. You can use the custom format with using the, how is it a semicolon? It's no. Now I forgot even how it's called in Polish. Colon. Maybe it's a colon. Let me check. Okay, it's a colon. Okay, so we use a colon as seconds. I thought that you have to use the two letters, but it seems that one works fine. So now you can see it as a whole. You can also use more letters to see, for example, the name of the day. So you can use the D as day, and now you can see it's actually in Polish. It shows it's Friday, and now it's piątek. It's Friday in Polish. So that's probably due to my Windows settings. You can also use it before the number, day number. Use space, and then you have the shortcut of the day, and then the date with hours, minutes, seconds, and it changes the format. It's still the cell has the data that is listed here. Moving on with the charts quickly, as we have already 30 minutes of recording. So here we have sales for the clients, and there are some numbers. So it's only the basic thing about the charts that you can use them. So you go on the insert section, you highlight all the data that is here, and you can go with the charts you want if you know already what do you want, or you can go with recommended charts. Here are some recommended ones, and also you can go to the section with all charts, and here is a lot more of them, even like 3Ds or something donut style. So for this example we can use the basic pie chart, and if you want to well, you have the colors that suggest which part of the chart is regarding to which client. You can also add data labels, so you can see the data on the chart. For now it's not as much visible, so I think outside and seems that the data is more more visible. You can also change the format in the data range, that is the source of the chart. So you can change it into number, and let's say it will be without decimal places. And changing the range as the source also changes the numbers on the chart. That is pretty useful. And you can also sort data that is in the range from, let's say, smallest to largest, and it also has impact on the chart, so it will be sorted from the smallest to the largest. So this one was the pie chart. Now we can mark the range again, go to the insert card. Actually, last time I was talking about how the sections are called, but for now I have the file closed, so next time I will remember to speak which is the section with which is some different names. So here we can go with bar. This is a clustered bar. No, this one is interesting, but it's not the subject today. So we have a clustered bar, and yeah, it's a different kind of chart. You can actually mark specific parts of the chart. Here I highlighted all the bars, and I can change the color of them. For example, I can also pick just one of them and change the color just of the one. There are also some styles I can choose to set a different style for the chart, and there is much more options. I can go with axis and all the others. It depends on the chart type, how many options you have to update, to upgrade, and just set as you want it to be. And the next one is a chart called line chart. So it's this one. Let's go with the basic one. Line chart is it seems to be that it's the best option for change in time. So here it's not the case. It shows that it's going from the lowest to largest, so you can see that which client is the lowest and which one's the largest. What I wanted to show here, because of course you can change the title of the chart in this section, and you're just writing like I want it to be, it was 24, not 25. And it's corrected, but also I can click it here that I'm in the title section. Now I go to the function bar, go with equal to, and mark the title of the range I have, and go with enter. And now if I will change it here to 24, it also changes in the chart automatically. The last part I wanted to mention is a map chart that has to get some geographical information. For here is provinces in Poland, and the second argument, let's say, is some number data that has to be calculated. So here, as before, I'm highlighting the range. I'm going with insert, and here is maps, and I pick the map. Something is thinking. It was also in the course I'm doing that sometimes it doesn't work for some reason, and I can see that something is loading. We can do it again. Perhaps it will work this time. No, it doesn't want to work. Maybe if I change the language of the Excel for English, it's not working. I'm not sure if that's the case. I can do it one more time. No, it doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to work. Well, if it doesn't work, we can't do anything about this, but basically it will show a map of Poland with marked provinces and the color. Oh, now we can see it. It had to load for some longer period of time. Yeah, so that's the provinces, and the color is showing the income average for such province into 2025. You can go with the cursor on the province and you can see some details. You can of course add some data labels, and that's how the map works. So that will be all for today. 21 minutes, more than in Polish. I will try to make it shorter for the next time. So thank you, and hear you again.